I recently tried something wild. I cloned myself using AI, made 2 faceless videos, uploaded them to YouTube, and actually made money from YouTube. But before you think it's all easy cash, here's the truth. YouTube is analyzing AI content, and if you don't understand the new rules, your channel could be in danger or get banned from monetization. Still, if you learn how to do it right, you can tap into a growing printing money for yourself in the AI video industry that's exploding right now. A lot of people are confused, thinking YouTube has banned AI videos. That's not true. What YouTube is really doing is going after repetitive, low-effort videos, basically lazy content that reuses clips or ideas from other creators without adding anything new. YouTube calls that repetitive content, but people have been misreading the updates and assuming it means no AI videos at all. The truth is, you can still make and monetize AI-generated videos as long as they're original and meaningful. I even tested this myself with 2 fully AI-made shorts. One earned about 60 cents and the other around 30 cents. It's not a fortune, but it proves YouTube still pays for AI content that's done the right way. Now, not all AI videos are equal. Some of them are awful, boring, robotic, and just plain soulless. They use generic scripts, bad avatars, and fake information. That kind of content, often called AI slop, floods YouTube right now and gives AI creators a bad name. But then there are the smart creators who use AI as a tool to enhance creativity, not replace it. The difference is simple. YouTube doesn't hate AI, it hates laziness. The winning creators treat AI like an art form. They don't create AI slop, they create AI craft. To make my own AI videos, I used 11 labs for TGE voiceovers and other AI websites on the internet. What matters is how you use it. There's a big difference between thoughtless AI spam and intentional storytelling. If you want your AI videos to perform, here's what I've learned. Start with a strong idea that people are genuinely curious about, grab attention right away with a good hook, and write a clear, interesting script. Even though AI can help, it's still your job to give the video purpose and personality. Finally, package your video smartly, with a catchy title, a solid description, and proper tags. And don't forget to mark your videos as altered if you use AI avatars. YouTube isn't against AI, as long as you're transparent and your content adds value. At the end of the day, the future of content creation isn't about humans versus AI. It's about humans using AI wisely. Lazy creators will fade out, but thoughtful ones will rise. If you treat AI like your creative assistant, not your replacement, you can build a real audience, make real money, and maybe never even turn on your camera again.